Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You need location access first, so go to Settings, Privacy, Location Services, and make sure it is on. Once done, tap Camera and set permission to while using and enable precise location. This allows GPS metadata to attach to the photo. Now open the camera app, frame your subject, and take the picture. After you shoot, open Photos and swipe up on the image to confirm the small map and coordinates appear. This proves the GPS data saved with your photo. Once your photos store GPS metadata, you can embed coordinates visually using shortcuts. Create a new shortcut, get current location, then get details for latitude and longitude, followed by select photos and overlay text, format lat/long. Make sure the overlay position and font size are readable. Run that shortcut after taking pictures to produce an annotated copy with coordinates stamped on the image. This gives you a shareable photo that displays the GPS info rather than relying only on metadata. After annotating or confirming GPS metadata, save the image and back it up to iCloud or your preferred service. When sharing, choose to include full-resolution image to preserve embedded coordinates. If you need to check details, open Photos, swipe up for the map, or use Info to view coordinates. If location data is missing, make sure camera location permission and precise location are enabled. Toggle location services off and on. Restart your iPhone.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.